We are going to be doing a maintenance vlog.
There ain't no one that's a ain't gotta rush. I just wanna take it nice.
Baby, I'm not here to knock no black women. How much y'all want to know about the girl? Like, we need to make sure that that lady get into the White House.
The ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Nice and quiet. There ain't no one that's a ain't gotta rush. I just wanna take it nice and I've been waiting for this so long. We'll make it happen till the sun comes out. Baby, I just wanna take it nice and
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. I am Shania Shayon, and welcome back to Living for Shayon, guys. So in today's vlog, we are going to be doing a maintenance vlog, okay? My hair been a mess. My nails look a mess. I kind of been a mess. You see this hair? A mess. So I'm going to be getting my hair done today. I just want to get some braids. It has been super hot, so I just want to get something that's out the way. I'm actually about to go into this African braidery here in Maryland. They do really good braids, and they're really fast. I also like them because you could do same day walk-ins, and they only charge $10 a braid, okay? So I'm about to get some braids, and then I got some new press-ons that you guys probably saw in that Temu haul and review. So if you have not seen it, make sure you guys go watch it. I will be putting on those neon nails. I will also be doing just some self-care and going to get my eyebrows done as well. So your girl got to go get everything done. So you guys stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you like this video. And let's go get me together, honey, because it's getting rough. It's getting rough.
I tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on the everyday.
Woo! Okay, guys, I am done, y'all. Excuse me, I am so hot and sweaty, y'all, and they got all this stuff on my face. But these are my braids. I just wanted something simple and out the way. Now we are actually at the nail place. I'm about to run in here and get my eyebrows done. I was gonna get a pedicure, y'all, but I'm so tired and I can barely move my neck. Okay, and I'm thinking about, I'm off of work tomorrow. I'm off of work tomorrow, and it's a content day for me, so I may come back out tomorrow and get my pedicure tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna do it tomorrow. I'm hungry, I'm tired. So we're about to go into this nail place and get my eyebrows done. Who knows, I might end up getting a pedicure while I'm here, but we'll see. Stay tuned, y'all.
High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends.
Okay, y'all, so I am finally on the way home. I wasn't able to get a pedicure because I forgot that it is freaking Sunday. So everything closed early. So just because I'm cool with him, he let me get my eyebrows done, which look real good. But I couldn't get no pedicure, so that's fine with me because I'm tired. Okay, guys, I am back home, and I told her to leave out my edges because I wanted to do my own edges. And I did not want them pulling my edges out. So I'm just about to go in and do my edges real quick. But my braids look really good. She did a great job, literally. They had a little sale going on, and it was like $10 a braid. So like literally a quick $50, $60 hairstyle. But I'm gonna be playing about my edges, okay? Because they will pull your edges out with no problem. I don't even really got no edges left out. We get all that, okay? Because when it starts to grow out and get old, then I can use that for my edges. But I'm just gonna give it a little swoopity swoop. And that's it. Boom. Okay. Okay. Now we are actually gonna do my press-ons. Let me go get them. So now, I can do my press-ons, and I'm super excited about that. I'm just happy that I really took a day to just get myself together. I needed it so bad. So, yeah. While I'm doing my nails, y'all, let's get into a couple trending topics, y'all, because I've been kind of out of the loop. But it is a couple things I want to talk about. Number one, shout out to Kamala Harris, okay? We need to make sure that that lady get into the White House, okay? Do not play around. All I know is that if you're my subscriber, friend, or follower, y'all better be at them polls in November. Did y'all see CARESHA Please? I watched it, and I know a lot of people was complaining, but I actually enjoyed it. They was like, she ain't really say nothing. I'm like, to me, I think she said a good amount of stuff. Like, how much y'all want to know about the girl? Like, Lord. So, yeah. Also, don't forget to shop these. They are linked in the description as well as in my bio under my Temu links. They are from Temu, and they are so cute. They're going to be really long. Ooh, these are long. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do these, baby. These is really long. But let's see. Let's see how they do. Ooh, I'm about to have the bangy nails, okay? The bangy nails. Really love CARESHA Please. I love that Santana did it. I love that Santana was the host. I mean, like, what better host? Who else could host it other than JT and Santana? Like, that's it. I'm really upset that they broke up, but I do understand. Sometimes, you know, people grow apart and you got to go do your own thing. But I wish her the best, and I wish her the most success because she deserves it. Baby, I'm not here to knock no black women, okay? Do what you need to do for you, period. Period. Also, these actually are really cute. The nails are done. I'm gonna cut them down to about right there. All that tip is gonna come off, and I'm gonna cut them down where the jewels stop, but they are cute and thick. Shout out to Temu. My code will be on the screen.
Put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and staying tuned. I did want to show you these new lashes I got as well. They are a J curl, so I'm going to try those out. Thank you for watching my mini maintenance vlog. You guys stay tuned for the next vlog. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Get into it.
Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean